Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a crucial part of home improvement, basement flooring. We'll be showcasing the 8 best and top trending basement flooring options for 2024. Ready to transform your basement? Let's get started. Luxury Vinyl Planks, LVP. First up, Luxury Vinyl Planks, or LVP. LVP is durable, water-resistant, and comes in a variety of styles that mimic hardwood or stone. It's perfect for basements prone to moisture and offers a warm, inviting look. 2. Engineered Hardwood. Next, Engineered Hardwood. Engineered hardwood combines a real wood veneer with a plywood base, making it more stable and resistant to moisture than solid hardwood. It's a great way to bring the classic beauty of wood to your basement. 3. Ceramic Tile. Third on our list is ceramic tile. Ceramic tiles are incredibly durable and water-resistant, making them ideal for basements. They come in countless styles and colors, allowing you to customize the look of your space. 4. Carpet Tiles. Fourth, we have carpet tiles. Carpet tiles are easy to install and replace, perfect for high-traffic areas. They add warmth and comfort to your basement, making it a cozy retreat. 5. Epoxy Flooring. Next up, Epoxy Flooring. Epoxy flooring is durable and easy to clean. It provides a sleek, modern look and is perfect for basements that double as workshops or gyms. 6. Cork Flooring. Sixth on our list is cork flooring. Cork is a sustainable and comfortable option. It's warm underfoot, provides good insulation, and is resistant to mold and mildew, making it ideal for basements. 7. Laminate Flooring. Seventh, we have laminate flooring. Laminate is an affordable and versatile option. It mimics the look of hardwood or stone and is easy to install and maintain. Just ensure you choose a type designed for moisture-prone areas. 8. Rubber Flooring. Last but not least, rubber flooring. Rubber flooring is durable, and perfect for basements that are used as home gyms or play areas. And there you have it, 8 top trending basement flooring options for 2024. Whether you're looking for durability, style, or comfort, there's a perfect option for your basement. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.